We've seen a lot of it melt in the early part of the storm, but now the temperatures are falling a bit below zero. The snow will pile up even more.
Winnipeg is experiencing its first taste of winter over the course of the week, and while weather conditions are making it difficult for drivers, with the temperatures dropping, it's the people without homes that End Homeless Winnipeg is worried about. Last week, the organization released a street census gathered by numerous organizations in April of 2021 to get a tally on homelessness in Winnipeg.
Just over 1,100 people were encountered who were experiencing homelessness, either in shelters, safe spaces, or staying in unsheltered locations like encampments or bus shacks.
As the weather starts to turn, more transient people find themselves looking for reprieve from the snow and cold, but there are deterring factors for some people to find sheltered locations.
There's also a rise in homelessness, or the homeless people occupying the bus shelters again, because the time of the year, we can't really do anything unless the provincial government address the issue of homelessness.
A lot of people who are experiencing unsheltered homelessness, staying in encampments or outdoors, face various kinds of fears or barriers to going into a shelter. That could be fears that they won't be allowed in if they're intoxicated or experiencing some mental health concerns. That could be concerns that they're going to run into somebody that they had a negative or violent experience with in the past. So there's many different kinds of reasons.
Clemens and the team at End Homelessness Winnipeg have been preparing for the winter season and have a few tips to help out those in need.
Access to shelter and safe spaces, warm gear, warm food. There's a wide range of community services that are able to offer these supports for individuals, and we've developed a fall resource guide that can be downloaded from endhomelessnesswinnipeg.ca that lists some of those services. It's a great thing just to be able to print out and keep in your vehicle or keep in your pocket, so that if you're out and about and you spot someone who may be in need, you know who to contact and who to connect them with.
As temperatures continue to drop and winter stays with us, End Homelessness Winnipeg asks that the public be aware of those people in need in these conditions. In Winnipeg, Brianne Foley, City News.